Dominique Evans. I'm 32. I've been a barber for 10 years. Well, I was born in Los Angeles. I moved to San Bernardino when I was 10. I was raised out there in IE. I'm an IE girl. Not Valley, don't get it twisted. Low desert, homie, low desert. But, rice, I didn't grow up with no silver spoon. Peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, but not feeling like I was ever broke. Like my mom never, I never struggled. I mean, now that I'm an adult, I know you did. My mom worked 2 and 3 jobs. Like, I didn't know that, but I didn't come from a silver spoon. Like I said, just a regular family. I didn't come from no 2-parent home, none of that shit. It's a regular girl. What I love about cutting hair is the transformation of a person. Like he can come in feeling like a number 2 and leave out feeling like a number 10. Yeah, I do cat hair, dog hair, animal hair. Hey, please, I'm a barber, I cut hair. Bring that porcupine hair over here, I got it. That disadvantages would be the fact that I am a woman. Guys try to do things with me that they would never attempt to do with another man. Hey bro, I don't got all of it today, can I? Hell no, you can. No. Well, all I got was when you go to McDonald's and you say, I don't want pickles on my burger, do they take 20 cents off? No. And you give them the 20 cents. So give me my money. Like, that's the worst thing. I feel like it just disgusts me. Like, you got $200 shoes on. You got this nice little Rocawear or Stussy, whatever shirt you guys are wearing now, whatever. And you don't want to charge me $20, $25 when I'm making you look good to go and catch this little fine trick or whatever you want to call her, your next wife. Not just as a barber, as a lady barber, is completely different from being a barber. We deal with things that male barbers would never have to deal with. For guys to try shit that they would never try with another man. Like, you ain't gonna brush all up against no man. Why you brushing up against me? You don't whisper in no man's ear. Why you whisper it in my ear? But I know why you whisper it in my ear. I know why you brushing up against me. I'm cool. Just pay me. Pay me.